Hey everyone, welcome back. I got everything that you see here for $7 and some cents. I have my proof. I'm going to show you super easy digital only couponing at Walgreens. I'm gonna walk you through this step by step so you can learn how to do this super easy, super simple. Even a new couponer like yourself or myself could do this. So don't worry, you got this. Let me show you how you could do this too and get this deal. So Walgreens lately has been on a roll with some free toothpaste, guys. You guys already know from lots of my other videos that I posted, they always have some kind of great coupon deal that gets you pretty much free or almost free toothpaste. So I'll put a link up on the top so you can check it out. And this week is no exception. So I ended up grabbing these two of the Colgates. There are different ones that you could choose from. I ended up grabbing the Total Whitening 4.8 ounce of the Colgates. Grab myself two of those, and this is a two-part purchase. So you're going to grab the Colgate first, grab two of them. You are going to clip a 50-cent off coupon that they have to your digital free mobile app for Walgreens. These this week are $2.99 for the Colgate. You're going to clip that 50-cent off digital coupon and bring those right over to the register, because this week when you purchase two of these and add that coupon, you're going to get a $5 back register reward. That is pretty much paper money that the manufacturers are giving you to make another purchase in the store. That easy. So you're just going to take that over to the register, and this is your total right here. You have until Sunday to get this accomplished, so Saturday is the last day when it ends, and here it is. So they are $5.98 for two of them. They were on sale for two at $2.99. So that ended up coming out with the 50-cent off digital coupon that you see there. Just enter your phone number at the register to get your discount, and there you go. It came out to $5.48 before tax. Florida state tax here was 39 cents, so you know I never add that in because we all have different tax amounts. So $5.48 for the two of these toothpaste, and they give you back that $5 register reward, or like what I like to call paper money. So you're going to use that $5 towards anything you want. I happen to do it, so you end up pretty much, if you calculate it out, if this came out to $7 and change, you're pretty much getting toothpaste and toilet paper for free this week. That's right. It doesn't get any better than that. And you could definitely get different deals. There were tons of different deals that you could get. I'll put some in right now so you could check it out. But yeah, you could get any one of those deals, whether it's shampoo, like Fruities, Garnier Fruities. They have hair dye. They have beauty blenders. They have a section that's for $5. You could go ahead and do that and use them as stocking stuffers. Lots of great deals. You could do any one of those. But let's move on to this deal. So I ended up grabbing a $5 Scott Comfort Soft of the 12-pack of the big rolls of Scott for toilet paper. I also grabbed paper towel this week, which is perfect because I was running out. So I grabbed a $5 baggie of those, and that actually had a 50-cent off digital coupon. So I took it off already so I can remember to get it for next time, but it's for the Renews It. And I think I saw they were 89 cents this week. I'm pretty sure. So that means you end up getting like a 39-cent Renews It. Perfect time just to stash it in your bathroom so your bathroom smells nice and good. So you're going to grab these two items, a toilet paper and a paper towel. It has to be one of each for this to work. The reason why is because the Scott toilet paper has a 75-cent off digital coupon on the free Walgreens mobile app. So you're going to grab that bag, clip that 75-cent off digital coupon, and there you go. You would get that one for $4.25. So the reason I grabbed another Scott is because this week the Scott brand is buy one, get one 50% off. That's right. So I'm regardless not paying $5 for this. I'm paying $2.50. But it doesn't stop there. Oh no. There is another 75-cent off digital coupon when you grabbed a Scott paper towel. Has to be a paper towel. There's one digital coupon for each. So that means I'm going to grab that item, clip that 75-cent off digital coupon, and make sure it's connected to my Walgreens free mobile app. And that's right. You're going to get this $2.50 item, right? Because it's half off of that. You're going to get it for $1.75. That's right. So even if you didn't want to do this coupon deal for whatever reason, but trust me, it's more worth it to buy this first because you could use those $5. You would still be able to get this deal regardless. And yeah, there's only one digital coupon for each of those, so you'll only be able to do it once unless you have like multiple accounts, of course. But yeah, so grab those 2 items and do that. And here is the total. So my grand total for the second purchase, as you see, they were $5 for the first one, $2.50 for the second, because they were buy one get one half off of equal or lesser value. And then you do have to grab Sir Kit Kat. So the reason why the Kit Kat is there, if you're wondering, is because I have 3 digital or manufacturer coupons in total. So that paper coupon is not a store coupon, is actually a manufacturer coupon if you see the top of it. So you can only have 1 manufacturer coupon per item, and I was maxed out. So I had to grab a Kit Kat bar, which was only 79 cents this week, as you see there, to be able to use that 3rd coupon, that paper coupon that you see there. So it took off 75 cents off the Scott paper towel and the 75% off of the toilet paper, 75 cents off, sorry. Plus there is that $5 paper coupon that I used that they printed right from the register, and you're just going to hand it right over to the lady or the gentleman and get that $5 off. They enter it manually, just so you know. But you have to have, again, that 3rd item, otherwise it won't work. And you can use whatever you want. So, and here it is. So my grand total for that second purchase, sorry, was $1.79, 54 cents of Florida state tax. What a ripoff, right? But yeah, so $1.79 for these items. So that was $1.79 for the paper towel, toilet paper, and a Kit Kat bar. See, so that's why it's highly necessary to do that first purchase. And they also have it on the Crest. Crest has a coupon also with a coupon back that they give you a register reward points, and again, you could use those right away. Guys, I want you to check out my toothpaste stash so far. Look at this. Look at my little baby stockpile I just came up with. What I have, a couple of months, right? How many months has it been? Do you guys remember? It's only been, I think, like 2-3 months since I started couponing, and look how much toothpaste, guys, we have gotten. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, like, this is the way of life. Saving money for your family all the way. So this is it, guys. This is what it's all about. It's all about saving our families money, being able to use the money towards what really matters in our lives, not spending on things that are just obligations and necessary anyway. Of course, we have to brush our teeth, and of course we have to use the bathroom. So these things we should not be spending max money on. We should be spending our money on experiences and just company with our family, our friends. So know where you spend your money, and this is not where you spend the bulk of your money. So hang with me and let's keep getting these deals and finding these deals and savings. If you're new here, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, and subscribe down below. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified when we upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. plus bonus videos, so make sure that notification bell is turned on. And yeah, guys, check out our last video of Winn-Dixie. That deal is still going on. It should end today if you need groceries. Those were tons of great deals, especially those 4 pastas at $1 each. That's amazing. $1 for 4 pastas. That lasts a long time. You can already imagine. So yeah, guys, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye, guys.